Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and that you all are safe. So today I'm back with another review from the brand Nat Habit, and I have already reviewed a few of their products like Hand Malai, their Uptons and their makeup remover. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll share the link in the description box below so you can surely check that out. So for today I have their floral gel, then their foot Upton and also their sheet lip. So yeah, I was actually happy with the performance of the previous products, the Hand Malai thing, because I have been constantly using that Hand Malai since then their makeup melt is really amazing and their Uptons are also great. So I thought of giving a shot to these new items, so I got this for myself. So yeah, let's get started with the review thing. So guys, at Nat Habit, they are actually making these products on a daily basis, so that each time you place an order, what you get is a fresh, handmade, natural, ekdam taza product right from their beauty kitchens to your doorstep. And that's something really great, and that's the USP of this brand, because you are getting a fresh product each and every time. It's a cruelty free brand, there's no nasty chemicals to it, and they tend to use the nature derived thing like herbs and plant based oils, honey, grains, dals, and all the grandma recipe stuff is going in their product, and not the harmful or toxic things. So to start off with the first product, I have their fresh distilled floral gel in rose. This one is for skin toning and pore reduction. It comes in this plastic bottle, spray bottle with this plastic cap. Now this retails for rupees 217 and you get 100 ml of product. The shelf life is 30 days. Coming to ingredients, it is just fresh steamed distilled rose water, nothing more, nothing less. No glycerin, no chemicals, no preservatives, no alcohol, nothing. Just fresh, pure steamed distilled rose water. That's it. That's 100% pure, 100% kitchen made, handmade. Flowers have high anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and astringent properties, thus making them the best toner out there. And trust me, rose water, nothing maintains skin pH like this does. It's the best out there, suitable for every skin type. And also I have a separate video on toners, so if you just wanna go through that, I'll share the link in the description box below, because I guess that will be helpful, because we have different skin types, and which toner you should be using for a particular skin type, and whether or not you have to use a toner. So that stuff is there in that video, so I request you to just go through that as well. Trust me, years of this rose water on your skin can help you achieve softest, clearest and tightest skin possible, and it hydrates your skin like nothing. It just refreshes your skin like that. Just spray it directly on your face and neck and you are good to go on those humid days, on those summers. It's savior, trust me. Also it helps remove that temporary redness on your skin, as a great way to cool and calm it. Does it help unclog pores, and it helps you achieve that clearer and smoother looking appearance. It has antioxidant properties to it, thus it nourishes and protects the skin at the same time. Application part is simple. Just spray it directly on your face, on your skin and neck as and when required, or you can mix it in your face packs or face wash or face creams for that additional benefits of toning and firmness. And that's it. That's how you use this. It's pretty simple. So next thing I have with me is this Nat Habit Fresh Sheet Lip Pumpkin Black Clay Deep Skin Detox. This one retails for rupees 209. The shelf life is 30 days. You get 40 gram of products and it needs to be refrigerated. It's available in all cities. Share means milk and lap means face pack. Now this one is packed with raw milk and loads of yogurt to give you that soft, supple and young skin. It is packed with 13 potent ingredients with activated charcoal, then powerful herbs, fruits, spices that helps deep cleanse and detox, and it keeps the oil production in balance. So skin detox is what you can do to the surface of your skin to protect it from the external element, more than clearing out what's inside of. It might include added exfoliation as well to get rid of those build up dead cells and to revitalize and revive your skin back to the way it was, or even better if you detox it right. This is how the packaging is. It comes with this nozzle, this shiny pack with nozzle thing, and the consistency is thick, but when it comes out it's a bit runny, but then it's kind of thick. Okay, So you have to apply a very thick layer on clean face and neck. Don't forget your neck, guys. Anything you're applying on your face, do it for your neck also. So it's thick. All right. So on a clean face and neck, apply a thick layer of this lip and let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can wash it off or towel wipe it and you're good to go. You can moisturize your skin after that. So let's not forget it's a lip and not Upton. Upton is for like daily use. You can use it daily for that glowing skin, but this one has more to do with nutrition. It provides nutrition to your skin. It is made for specific skin concerns, so it has to be used twice a week and not more than that. So let's keep that in mind. So I have to say, because of that activated charcoal thing, it instantly cleans your skin and clears it out. Also, it exfoliates really well. I mean, along with the benefits of pumpkin, raw honey, lemongrass and stuff, it does exfoliate your skin really well. So yeah, as I said, this will last for like 5 to 6 uses to me. I have this much left now, this much, yeah. So it's a nice lip. It's for oily combination and normal skin. So try this out, guys. It's a nice fresh shield lip by Nat Habit. Let me ask you something. Who doesn't like relaxed, soft feet all day long? I mean, come on. Do I have to ask this also? I mean, of course, everyone loves that, right? And Nat Habit has come up with some great foot upturns, and this one is my favorite for today. I just love this product. Trust me, it's worth trying. It's worth buying. It's a miracle product, guys. It's packed with 17 to 20 power ingredients, which helps to clean, detox, exfoliate your foot and give you that spa time and relaxed experience. Anything like from hard skin to calluses to fungal infection to foot odor or to corns, it's a savior for all. It's a miracle for all. So retails for rupees 161. You get 40 grams of product. It's available in all cities. This needs to be refrigerated and the shelf life is 30 days. Uptons are made with crushed pumice stone and they serve dual purpose of mask and scrub. They are packed with 17 to 20 potent ingredients like herbs, fruits, grains, dals, then sugar for enhanced foot care. Also, they are packed with 3 pea fruit AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid rich fruits, pineapple, pumpkin and papaya, and they actually exfoliate, clean and soften your heel. So this is how the packaging is. It comes in again in this shimmery pack with nozzle, and let me show you how the consistency is. It's thick, and again you have to apply a very thick layer. Okay, so this is the consistency. It's thick and there are a lot of granules, like lot of granules. Okay, as I said, it's rich in 3 AHA fruits, that is alpha hydroxy acid fruits, pineapple, pumpkin and papaya. And AHA primary goal is exfoliation, right? Exfoliation is just getting rid of the dead skin cells and making way for the new cell generation, right? And that's what this Upton does. It exfoliates your feet really well and you can instantly feel that smoothness and that relaxing effect this gives to your feet. And yeah, that's it. That's how this works, and it's a must try product. As I said, you have to try this out. So apply this Upton directly on clean feet and ankles and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you can wash it off or scrub it off gently using lukewarm water. What I like to do, I like to use a pumice stone post this and scrub my heels gently, so I get that extra exfoliation effect. And yeah, that's it. After you are done using this, just apply a moisturizer and that's it. That's how you use this. Along with the exfoliation, it actually promotes the blood flow, corrects discoloration, age spots and helps eliminate the fine lines and increases the product absorption also. So it's like a miracle for everything, right? From corns, calluses, hard skin to even blood flow. It's actually benefiting you internally also, right? So it's not just working on outside but inside as well. So it's a great product, guys, and it's worth trying. You don't get to see food upturns very easily, but Night Habit has really done amazing job in providing fresh kitchen made food upturns, and that too in very affordable range. It's just for rupees 161, and 40 grams. It will last you for like 4 to 5 uses, I guess. Yeah, so it's a must try, and I am happy with this product. So yes, that's it for this video, guys. I really recommend you to go and get your hands on their floral gels. They are 100% natural, handmade, kitchen made, alcohol free. Their sheet lab detox your skin, detox your face, and get that beautiful and nourished skin. And their photo turns, it's my favorite. Just you have to try this, guys, and it's really amazing one. So yes, that's it for this, and I really hope you like watching it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you in my next. Until then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye, take care.